Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently remove the CapCut ending video. So if you start a new project on CapCut, there will be an ending video like this that's adds automatically on CapCut, and you can actually just remove it manually like this, but I think it's getting tiring if you need to remove whenever you start a new project. And here's how you can remove it permanently. So before you starting a new project, you need to click on the settings at the top right. So you go to setting, and then here there's an option to add a default ending. So you need to disable these features. Like here you need to click on the circle until it turns to gray. So there will be a pop-up question, discard ending, so you can just click on discard, so it will turns to gray. So whenever you start a new project now, there will be no ending video from CapCut. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.